Sometimes you want to report a value that isn't in your data, like a calculated value or a comparison of two values. You can do the calculation mentally, but letting the software do the work is much faster. As an example, let me show you how to use Column Chooser's custom formulas to add a usage trend value to the inventory status report. In Column Chooser, I'll click Create Custom Formula and call it Usage Trend. A pro tip is to build your custom formula in passes or steps so you can check the work along the way. That's what we're going to do. First, I'll get the core formula. So I need the usage 12-month minus usage 24-month. I'll click OK in Expression Editor to save it. Then add the usage trend to the visible and check the report. This is looking good. I've got negative numbers, positive numbers, and zeros. But let's make this easier to understand. I'll go back into Column Chooser and this time edit the formula. Instead of showing positive or negative numbers, I wanted to say upward or downward. To do this, I need a bit more complicated query. I'll use the if syntax, which is similar to the if function in Excel. It checks one condition and gives you a result either way. If this is true, do one thing. If it is false, do another. To accomplish this, I'll type if with two i's and an opening parenthesis. I don't need the ending parentheses yet, so I'll delete it. Then I can come to the end and add less than 0, comma, downward, inside single quotes, a comma, and then upward, inside single quotes. Notice I've got a syntax error, and if I hover my mouse over the formula, it's going to give me some clues as to what's wrong. In this case, I'm missing my closing parenthesis, so I'll add it and then save my changes. Now, everything has either downward or upward, even when there's no real change. So the next step is to return unchanged if it's 0. To accomplish that, I can nest the if statements. It's going to look complex, but if you break it into steps, it is manageable. I'll copy the existing if statement and I'll paste it over upward. Now I can edit the second line so that it is greater than 0, upward, and instead of upward, I'll have unchanged. The formula now works this way. If the calculation is less than 0, return downward. If it's not, then check to see if the calculation is greater than 0. If it is, return upward. If it's not, then that means it's 0. It's not less than 0, it's not greater than 0, so we'll return unchanged. See, that wasn't so bad. Now we'll click OK, and we can see unchanged, downward, and upward. That's looking much better. And here's a nice bonus. For this column, I can click on the filter to show only the downward items or focus on whatever is important to me. Custom formulas can be as simple or complex as you need them to be. Hopefully, this will give you confidence to try something new. Try building your own custom formula this week. Even a simple one is a great place to start. Check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of your Pulse dashboard.